Oh, Nicholas, you're so happy about this one. Oh, yeah. Babe, you should have just asked. Hey, I'm going to sneeze now. I'm gonna sneeze on you. Oh my god, energy drinks, sometimes they do make me feel tired as well, because you have your little curve and then you have that dip after. But it's not, I'm not always like that. I have a twin brother, a sibling, yeah. I just need. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Indonesia, hello. I don't think we have most people from Indonesia.
I haven't been to church in many years. I never show up ever again. Yes, true. It's probably Kanye. Yeah, okay. Well, this is called Anonymous Confessions, not Taylor Swift Confessions. I'm gonna fucking sneeze. Okay. So, I'm not titling in that because then people are DJ Booth when she was dating Calvin Harris. That's crazy. What did her shoulder smell like? What did it smell like? I gotta sneeze. Yeah, what did it smell? I don't know. I mean, you could. It's like near the armpit, though, guys. I don't know. A lot, maybe. We got a Beyonce one. Sorry. Thank you.
His tooth went through his upper lip. It's through his nose. Sorry, excuse me. Oh my lord. I would 100% die in a horror film. You know what? I would. I would. I would. No one better be in my room. Over. Excuse me.
Блин, я бы себе что-нибудь покушать заказала бы. Хуй! Блин. Хуй вылетел. Давайте, ребят.
Всего лишь должен принести маленькую жертву своим добрым друзьям, богам воды, из того вулкана.
Я вспомнила.
И что же будет?
И что же будет? Уместный вопрос. Моя жертва падает прямо в жерло вулкана, и мои добрые боги с аппетитом ее поедают.
Наш тост за всех, кто с нами был.
Я спрашивала, правильно стоит или нет. Вы чё?
Родине служил, честь не срамил. Кто голубых бережет все